after all that backlash that Canada government under Justin Trudeau at that point was tone deaf, ignored the multiple complaints that came in from the Hindu community of ignoring the threat that the Hindu community faced, the hate rants, the multiple reports of vandalizing temples that came from Canada. Now, after all of that, with the new Mark Carney regime, it appears that Indians in Canada might see, at least especially Hindus, I'd say, might see a sigh of relief as Indian origin politician Anita Anand has been sworn in as the country's new Minister of Foreign Affairs. This follows a cabinet reshuffle by Prime Minister Mark Carney. In fact, Anita Anand replaces Melanie Joly. She's now going to be handling the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Let's take a look. She, in fact, took oath today. Anita Anand took oath today, placing her hand on the Bhagavad Gita. Now, we know that the 28-member cabinet aims to signal a clear departure from the Justin Trudeau era, prioritizing diversity, competence, fresh outlook. If I could give you a brief on Anita Anand, she's of course no stranger to the high office. She's 58 years of age. A Liberal Party MP, has handled key portfolios from defence to public procurement, even transport and treasury. She was central to Canada's COVID response, managing vaccine supplies as a procurement minister then. So she's a first-generation Canadian. She was born in Nova Scotia to doctor parents who immigrated from Punjab and Tamil Nadu. She studied in Oxford and Dalhousie and built a respected legal and academic career before entering politics in 2019. She married lawyer John Knowlton and has 4 children. She, of course, created history then as the first Hindu to enter Canada's federal cabinet. She has taken oath, like I mentioned, on the Bhagavad Gita, a tradition that's continued at that time when she took oath for the first time as cabinet minister, and in the last night when she took oath as the foreign minister in Canada, we saw similar scenes. I'm going to take you through that video if that's playing out. Anita Anand and Carney now face the toughest brief yet. Rebuilding strained ties between US and Canada, and of course India and Canada as well. If at all she could play the peacemaker, we're looking forward.